Hi everyone, I am Roslyn Anita, nursing tutor in Tribulum College of Nursing. Today I am going to present the topic vein detector. Coming to objectives. Introduction of vein detector. What is vein detector? Mention the functions and objectives of vein. List how to choose a vein detector. How does a vein detector work? How can vein viewer improve the vein puncture success? List the advantages of vein detector and list the disadvantages of vein detector. Conclusion and references. Introduction. The process of obtaining intravenous access vein puncture is an everyday invasive procedure in medical settings, and there are more than 1 billion vein puncture related procedures like blood draws, peripheral catheter insertions, intravenous therapy, accessing vein in case of elderly or obese, as well as dark tone and adult patients becomes very difficult sometimes for drug delivery. There is a need to develop vein detection devices which can clearly show veins. What is vein detector? Locating veins using conventional method is difficult. If the veins are deep, small or hard to find, making the blood test experience uncomfortable for both patient and phlebotomist. The vein finder is a useful tool that allows you to reduce the risk of possible pre-analytic error, save time and minimize the pain when passing the cannula. Coming to functions of vein. The veins are an important part of our circulatory system. There are small blood vessels which generally carry deoxygenated blood to the heart from the tissues, except umbilical vein and pulmonary vein which carry oxygenated blood. Coming to the objectives. Of all invasive medical procedures, vein puncture is the common. When drawing blood or performing an IV insertion procedure on patient whose veins are difficult to access, the potential for multiple needle stick goes up and the time available for other patients goes down. Medical professionals know that the vein puncture can be particularly challenging in some patients. Even experienced professionals sometimes have difficulty in locating the suitable vein. Coming to how to choose a vein detector. First, you have to choose the price, weight, size, easy to use the sterilizer, charging and operating time after fully charged, vein detection depth, operating distance between the detector and the surface of the skin, technologies, pressure sensor, LEDs, infrared. How does a vein detector work? The device emits near infrared light onto the body and interrupts the light reflected back by surrounding tissues. If it then projects an image onto the body in real time to highlights the vein. With a map of the patient veins clearly displayed in front of you, getting a good clean puncture is vastly simplified. How can vein viewer improve the vein puncture success? Informed assessment before IV insertion. Aid is achieving optimal IV placement. assessment of insertion success prior to delivering the causative injections, aid with infiltration and IV flushing avoidance. Coming to the principle of vein detector. Near infrared radiation of the wavelength region 740 nanometer to 760 nanometer is able to detect veins but not arteries due to the selective observation of infrared radiation in blood. Deoxygenized hemoglobin in the veins almost completely absorb the radiation. Oxygenized hemoglobin in the arteries become almost transparent. Coming to the advantages of vein detector, it is very economical, highest factor of security, hidden characteristic or used as biometric features, one time registry and usage throughout life, cheap to produce, fast, small, easy to install. It is not affected by dryness or roughages of skin or by physical injury on surface of the hand. Coming to the disadvantages of vein detector. Hard to use, high skill requirements, hard to enroll, consumer perception about the high itself, intrusive technology and high cost. Conclusion. Usage of this technology gives accurate results. It can be used in several organizations to increase security. If this technology is introduced in our country, we can solve and many problems such as password theft in ATM. Surely, this biometric technology will bring a revolution in the field of science and technology in the near future. References: wikipedia.org, http researchgate.net, vein detector in script, vein detector in slideshare.com. Thank you.